Let's face it, breakups are tough, you're hurting, you miss the good times, and maybe, just maybe, you want your ex to see what they're missing. But trust me, there's a better way than trying to make them regret their decision. This conversation is all about moving on with your head held high and building a life so awesome, even your ex might take notice, but that's not the main goal. Let's talk feelings first. Breakups are emotional roller coasters. It's okay to feel angry, sad, or even lost. Don't bottle it up. Talk to a friend, family member, therapist, whoever makes you feel safe and heard. Now, let's talk about the myth. Make them regret it. We've all seen movies where the heartbroken ex gets a makeover, and their ex comes crawling back. In real life, trying to make someone regret something usually backfires. It can make you seem bitter or manipulative, and honestly, it takes way too much energy. Before we move on, if you are new here, please, I would appreciate if you can support this channel. Like this video, subscribe, and press the bell button. Thanks for doing so. So, what do we do? This is where things get interesting. We're going to focus on you. We'll talk about ways to heal, grow, and become the best version of yourself. By doing this, you'll not only feel amazing, but you might just attract someone even better, and who knows, your ex might see the transformation too. Round 1. Taking care of yourself. Imagine yourself as a wilted flower. To bloom again, you need some TLC. Here's how to nourish yourself. 1. Feel your feels. Don't push away sadness or anger. Acknowledge them, then let them go with healthy activities like exercise, journaling, or spending time in nature. 2. Be a self-care superstar. Get enough sleep, eat healthy foods, and do things that make you happy. Take a long bath, read a good book, or reconnect with hobbies you might have neglected. 3. Set boundaries. It's okay to limit contact with your ex, especially if it makes things harder. This doesn't have to be forever, but give yourself space to heal. Round 2. Level up. Now that you're taking care of yourself, let's focus on growth. First, rediscover your passions. Remember the thing you always wanted to try but never did. Now's the perfect time. Learn a new language. Take a dance class, or finally write that novel. Second, make squad goals. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Reconnect with old friends or join a club to meet new ones. Thirdly, be a goal-getter. Set some goals for yourself, big or small. It could be anything from running a 5K to finally mastering that sourdough bread recipe. Achieving goals builds confidence. Round 3. Living your best life. By now you're feeling good and growing. Time to shine. Let's discuss on 3 major tips. Number 1. Social butterfly. Put yourself out there when you're ready. Go to events, meet new people, and have fun. You never know who you might meet. Number 2. Mystery mode. You don't have to flaunt your amazing life on social media for your ex to see. But if they do happen to catch a glimpse through mutual friends or a happy post, they'll see the confident, thriving you. Number 3. The power of now. Don't dwell on the past. Focus on creating new memories and experiences. Who knows, maybe you'll meet someone who appreciates you for exactly who you are. Remember, this is your journey. There's no set timeline for healing, and you might have setbacks. But by focusing on self-care, growth, and living your best life, you'll come out stronger and happier on the other side. And hey, if your ex happens to notice your awesomeness, that's a bonus. But the real win is building a life you love with or without them. Let's chat. What are your thoughts on this? Have you ever been through a breakup? How did you move on? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. If any part of this message has been helpful to you, leave us your like and comment, helping the algorithm recommend it to someone who needs it at this time. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos, and if you look through the videos we've already uploaded, you're sure to find something to take with you and will also help you achieve a stoic mindset. Thanks for watching.